First tracks.
Yeah. So,
all right. Okay, not bad. Oh. I've always wanted to do this. So peaceful. Let's see how this goes. Keep it chill. You.
that was wicked.
Yeah. I don't know about that trail there. It's like just straight skinnies.
And after Rob's little endeavors the other day?
Yeah. I still want to know how he broke his bar.
I'm still trying to figure out too. He said like it was a skinny, but like in those blacks.
Yeah, it would take us to the bottom of this eventually.
Okay. You want to walk it and see it since we're here?
I'm down.
Okay.
I mean, not gonna lie, I'll probably still try it.
Yeah. That's your thing, right?
But oh my goodness. Yeah, no. It doesn't look like there's another skinny though. Woo! No. Oh. Yeah. Whew, that was fun. Whew. Yeah, it's pretty greasy right now. Well, I was kind of scared to get on the brakes.
I think you pop off here at the end.
All right.
Another pop.
Nice.
Alright, come back. There's stuff I would have done before and then rethinking it now though. You look so in control, man.
Thank you. That was awesome.
That's all good.
Yeah, trunky. Yeah. Oh, this one. Yeah, okay. Yep.
There's kind of 3 ways you can go. Far right, I think the way I usually go,
Okay.
and you can roll into it.
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll kind of gauge it as I get there.
I'll roll onto it.
Oh, okay.
You can pop it.
Oh, yeah. You. Oh, so controlled. It's like you never left. What a pop. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Yeah, right off here.
Or, like I know there's that one. There's the berm to go in. I usually just take this one.
Yeah, I remember I did that one last time.
Yeah.
But this one's not looking too bad.
Okay.
I think I can control my speed out of it. So.
You want to do that? I'll go over there and I'll grab some footage.
Cool.
Okay.
This way. And straight off. Woo. All right. All right. Dropping. Oh. Whoa.
Railing those berms.
Man, that was loose.
That's fast though.
That's so fun there.
Felt real grippy.
It did.
Like,
Nothing I can't do. Nothing I haven't done. Holy! Holy. I gotta find a happy medium.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh man.
Fucking epic.
In the air.
Wow.
I was questioning my
Your existence?
my landing there.
Oh my god, dude, you were far.